doors have some really quick timers. Let's get another one. Watch. This thing has a jolt going up and has a pretty cool motor. Here. Listen to this motor. Let's ring the bell. Ordinary Dover chime. Basement's closed. Oh wow. I'm going to one. I'll try the basement. I don't know if I should try. No. I'm not gonna go down there. I wish I could though. That's down at the basement. I'm not gonna put it anywhere though. Let me see if I can try a trick here. What do you know? Come here, look at this and crop.
Oh, he is?